morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here, after several weeks of going offline, we are back with a new review of one of the latest smartwatch in the market. So this one is very popular smartwatch. Okay, it is, I think the design is patterned or copied from the Series 6 smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the M26 Plus smartwatch. Okay, one of the main feature of the smartwatch is the wireless charging, as you can see here. Okay, and we also have here, as you can see on the box, the Wear Fit Pro Support App. So let's have the unboxing of the smartwatch. Let's check it out. Okay, let's see the specs and the features. Okay, so we have here, okay, on the design, the screen size. Okay, let's have a closer look. 1.77 inch, Bluetooth 5.2. Okay, we have 128 MB of memory. So we have here, the app is available in Android and iOS App Store. So we have the support app here, the Wear Fit Pro. Okay, so let's check. So far, based on the packaging here, it looks nice, looks great. Love the color here, love the design. Okay, very premium looking packaging here. So let's check and let's remove. Again, if you have any questions regarding this device, please drop a comment below and we'll answer your queries. So M26 Plus smartwatch. Okay, so we have here some instructions. Let's remove this. Okay, we have here the device, the smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the pink color, I think. Okay, let's put it here. We have the strap. Let's check for the charger. Is it really a wireless charger? Yes, we don't see any magnetic option here. So we have here the charging cable. What else? We have the user manual. Is it available in English and Chinese? Yes. We also have here the features. Okay, so let's check this one. Okay, let's remove the plastic cover here. Okay, it looks nice, it looks premium, and of course, if you check it out, the design, very obvious. It is a copycat of the Series 6 smartwatch. Okay, the Apple Watch Series 6 smartwatch. Okay, so how do we put this one? Okay, let's try. Very tightly fit, it's a good sign. Very hard. I think still it's a good sign that it's hard to. Okay, let me do it again. Very tight. Okay, how about on this side? Very tight lock. Okay, so we got it. Okay, for the features of this one, let's check. So we have here a zinc alloy body. Okay, 1.77-inch IPS LCD, 320 by 380 pixel resolution. Okay, so preloaded with watch faces here. We have the hardware, we have the blood oxygen monitoring, heart rate. Okay, compatible with Android 5.0 and iOS 10.0 and above platform. For the battery, we have 200 mAh battery with super long standby time of 65 days and 10 days of normal usage. Okay, so far so good. So we have here IP68 waterproof rated, Wear Fit Pro app. Okay, and let's check. Okay, seems like we have a temperature monitoring. We'll see. So we have here some instructions, very detailed instructions. Oh no, so we don't have a temperature monitoring, but we have here the blood pressure as well as the heart rate monitoring. Okay, it's also preloaded, I think, with a WeChat QR code here. We have the stopwatch breathing training or breathing guide. Okay, what else? We have the knob button and a switch button here, and it is wireless charging. Okay, so it's magnetic, so there's a magnet, but it's easy to charge. You can see. Okay, we'll check. Okay, let's try. Yeah, we'll show you if it's working or not. Let's see. Okay, let's check if it's charging. Okay, yes, it is wireless charging. Nice. Okay, very easy to charge. Okay, and as you can see here, it's automatically charging the smartwatch. Okay, I'm impressed with the wireless charging here. Okay, we have here the GTS2, the Amazfit GTS2, and as you can see here, they almost have the same size and doesn't support, as you can see here, it's only magnetic here. This one, very impressive wireless charging option. Okay, so that's your M26 Plus smartwatch. Okay, let's see. So far, the magnetic here very strong. The smartwatch is a bit heavy, but it's okay. It has a nice design here, brush finish, zinc alloy body. We have here, I think this is the speaker here and the mic. We have at least two buttons. The crown button here, which you can, based on the features there, you can use it to zoom on the menus. Okay, and we have here the switch button. Okay, so far everything looks okay. Okay, everything looks good. See, near the speaker, we accidentally turned it on. I like the bezel here. Okay, slim bezel. Let's see if it's, as you can see here, it's working. So far so good with a M26 Plus smartwatch. Okay, next video, on our next video, we're going to check on the features, the menus of the M26 Plus smartwatch. Okay, again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, a premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.